Mudenda unleashes terror in Hwange. The 10th of September 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU-PF cell verification program in Hwange district has sparked fear and anger among villagers, who see it less as routine administration and more as a chilling throwback to the ruling party's long record of coercion in rural communities. At an inter-district meeting held at Hwange Colliery Club, Politburo member Advocate Jacob Mudenda and Deputy Secretary for Youth Affairs Tino Machikere publicly described the exercise as part of strengthening grassroots structures and mobilizing the youth. The young people have always been very important to the party and government. We thank them for their support, and that is why we always put up empowerment programs that also benefit them immensely, Mudenda said. Machikere added, "This is an important exercise which should be done in the district of Hwange. While they are lagging behind, we encourage them to move and regularize their cell membership. It is an exercise which must include all key stakeholders, but away from the official rhetoric." Villagers told a darker story. Traditional leaders and youth militias have already begun pressuring residents to comply, warning that refusal could result in reprisals, ranging from denial of food aid to harassment and violent assaults. This system escalated into widespread violence during the 2000, 2002, 2008, and 2013 elections, when ZANU-PF-aligned militias, including the notorious Green Bombers trained under the National Youth Service, terrorized rural communities. Thousands were beaten, tortured, displaced, or forced into loyalty oaths, while food aid was frequently distributed only to ruling party supporters. Hwange, long known for its pockets of resistance to ZANU-PF dominance, has now become the latest testing ground. To its residents, Mudenda's directive signals not empowerment, but a new wave of intimidation, where fear, poverty, and traditional authority are wielded to suffocate democratic choice. What ZANU-PF brands as a cell verification program is, on the ground, being experienced as yet another weapon of political terror, unleashed under the command of Jacob Mudenda.